Today, we're writing a list of the grown-ups we trust. These are the grown-ups we can talk to if we need help. I'm going to draw my own hand and make a list of the 5 trusted grown-ups that I can call and go to when I need help. This will be my helping hand.
Fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes a helping hand. Draw your helping hand. Draw your helping hand. And put your trusted grown-ups on your helping hand. Put your trusted grown-ups, all your trusted grown-ups. Put your trusted grown-ups on your helping hand. Your turn now, Newly Truly.
Draw your helping hand. Draw your helping hand. And put your trusted grown-ups on your helping hand. Put your trusted grown-ups, all your trusted grown-ups. Put your trusted grown-ups on your helping hand.
Fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes a helping hand. Draw your helping hand. Draw your helping hand. And put your trusted grown-ups on your helping hand. Put your trusted grown-ups, all your trusted grown-ups. Put your trusted grown-ups on your helping hand. Put your trusted grown-ups, all your trusted grown-ups. Put your trusted grown-ups on your helping hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes a helping hand.
This is my helping hand. And now I'm going to write down my trusted grown-ups. I have my mum.
Oh, like your mum, Izzy.
My history teacher, Mrs. Arnold. That's 2. Auntie Joanne. That's Mum's older sister, and she lives close by.
I like your Auntie Joanne.
That's number 3. My school teacher, Miss Ali. She is always kind. And my doctor, Dr. Lee. That's 5.
I've been thinking about my trusted grown-ups too, Izzy. I don't have as many fingers as you have. I have only 4 on my paw.
That's okay, Newly Truly. Who are your 4 trusted grown-ups?
Well, Izzy, I have my Uncle Terry. He's an Aussie Terrier too and lives close by. And I have Ray and Talia from the animal shelter. They saved me when I was out in the cold and brought me back to the shelter and looked after me until you adopted me, Izzy. I also have Dr. Vines. She is a veterinarian who visits the animals in the shelter. She made sure I was okay after being out in the rain. That's 4 trusted grown-ups on my paw. Ruff, 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 ruff.
It's important to reach out to a trusted grown-up when we need help. I'm happy you have trusted grown-ups too, Newly Truly.
We have our helping hand too, Izzy.
Oh, they look wonderful, everyone. We each traced our hands and wrote down the trusted grown-ups who can help if we feel unsafe. Now it's your turn to draw your helping hand and write down all the grown-ups you trust.
Draw your helping hand. Draw your helping hand. And put your trusted grown-ups on your helping hand. Put your trusted grown-ups, all your trusted grown-ups. Put your trusted grown-ups on your helping hand.